Hey everybody, I haven't done a video in a little while and the market closed just minutes ago. I'm recording this on Wednesday. We've got just 2 trading days left this year. Of course, Monday is a holiday. It's for New Year's. And only 2 weeks later, we've got yet another holiday in the form of MLK. But from time to time, people actually do get work done. And so this is one of those times. And it's, like I said, been a really good day. This is the ES we're looking at right here. This on a 1-minute bar. And this morning, the moment the market opened, it made a feeble attempt higher and then plunged and then did another attempt and plunged, another attempt and plunge. So kind of the bears are still in control. No way to tell, for me at least, if this is tax-related selling or what. But the weak are definitely getting weaker. This is the past week or so. And you can see here and here, you've got these miniature tops that are forming. But what's really interesting is, of course, this right here, which is massively more important. That is the big Fibonacci support right there. Major stuff. That is anchored from the COVID crash low to the tippity top at the beginning of this year. And as you can see, it's done a just stellar job of defining support and resistance. Of course, day I'll never forget, October 13, we tagged this Fibonacci perfectly, and I should have gotten the hell out of everything, but didn't. And then, interestingly, on this day here, which was that big, couple of weeks ago, the big CPI report, the market went exploding higher. And if I had the sense that God gave a donkey, I would have shorted everything with the ticker symbol, because as you can see, once again, perfect touch of the Fibonacci. And now we're exactly between the two. Check it out. So this is a major support area, huge support area. And of course, our bullish friends would like it to stay so. Because my main fear right now, and sorry about the fear has cost me untold fortune this year, but I'll just say it. My fear is that with the new year, people will do what they always do in New Year's Eve, which is like, gosh darn it, everything's going to be better now, and be really optimistic and buy stuff up left, right, and sideways, particularly with the likes of Tesla having lost 75% of their value or so. So that is a concern. Putting it another way, we must break this support rather soon, if you don't mind, because that opens up the prospect of another visitation down to this kind of level down here. Now, let's just look at a couple of other big items. Here's the NQ, which, I haven't really embellished with the kinds of Fibonacci, and quite obviously this is not slope charts. This is a nice but inferior product here, but let's just clumsily find the retracement for this regression line. Some of you are screaming at the screen right now because I don't know what I'm doing. Hang on a sec, let me just... Okay, that's better. I decided to stop wasting your time. So I've gotten rid of those other red lines, and now we've got the same Fibonacci pattern here. And as you can see, we're actually on the NQ rather close to that October low, which just shows you how weak the NASDAQ's been compared to the ES. What was especially exciting for me today was that crude oil is starting to behave itself. This is the weekly, and you can see here the topping pattern. And it was rather incredible to me because we actually, almost to the penny, tagged this horizontal line. And then so we were up yesterday, and then we started this nice reversal, which I always appreciate. But I've got a ton of that energy, as always, by far the most overrepresented sector amongst my shorts. And as you can see from this 5-minute chart, looking very good on the crude oil side of things. But I've got XOP, XLE, and a whole hodgepodge of individual items. One last thing I'll just mention, something I usually never touch is precious metals, but I decided on Tuesday morning to give it a go with silver. And so I took on an enormous position in going long SLV puts. This is not SLV, this is the silver futures themselves. And my timing was not bad because we were a little soft yesterday, but then overnight and today we started to accrue some nice losses there. I really don't know how long I'm going to hang on to these, but so far so good on this. This is yeah, we'll see on that one, but I'm hanging on to that. So in sum, across the two accounts, in the ETF account, that's what I'll call it from now on. I used to call it the personal account, but my ETF account, I'm long puts on XOP, SLV, and you think I would know with just three. Oh, Hellfire, don't remember. You Golden Platinum members, you can see it. Anyway, pretty committed on that, about 25% cash or so, but three positions in that one. And then on the regular account, kind of my stock puts account, I've got 27 bearish positions and I'm down to about 13% cash at this point. But anyway, it's been a very good week so far and a particularly good day today. And it'll be very interesting to see what Thursday, Friday, and Tuesday act like, because it'll be very telling to see, what does the end of year and the beginning of the new year mean to the traders out there. So hope you're doing well, and I will see you later.